Industry adopted modularity. Definitely, one of the design criteria is efficiency. But the another criteria, if you look at the business sustainability, okay, the growth actually, the way industry is growing actually, modularity allows the industry to utilize the asset to the maximum capacity. Okay, 80, 85, 90% utilization. And whenever the demand increases, they increase the capacity. It could be vertical modularity, it could be larger capacity, horizontal modularity. Probably in a colo hyperscale, it will be horizontal modularity. Okay, the bigger capacity, maybe 200 kilowatt, 300 kilowatt, horizontal modularity, that will be more because colo and hyperscale, the capacity requirement is very high. Now, so one point is the business sustainability. Second is definitely, since assets are being utilized at a maximum utilization level, the efficiency becomes very high. And today now there is your intelligent algorithm being inbuilt in, so that, as I said, actually you can put some models on active mode, some on the ready mode, so that whenever the load requirement comes in, the ready mode can be active seamlessly. Okay, so obviously the efficiency as well as resiliency, redundancy, everything are met actually. So I think modularity definitely will have a greater role in the future. Maybe size of the module may be different. Okay, size of the module may be little higher. May not be 20 kilowatt, 50 kilowatt. Specifically, I am talking about the colo and hyperscaler. Enterprise client may go in for a vertical modularity of smaller capacity. Similarly, the edge definitely the module requirement, number of module requirements, it will be very low. But there also modularity will have a role, because module, if you look at the capacity per volume, it's very high in a module, which is not in case of a monolithic. It consumes a lot of space. And in a edge actually, the component need to be very compact. Okay, so that becomes another criteria actually for. So I think definitely monolithic definitely will have a role. Modularity definitely from the point of utilization point, from the point of business sustainability, from the point of efficiency, I think definitely it will play its role.
See, one more thing on the modularity and edge. See, edge typically has to be a lights out facility. So the more modularity you have, the more redundancy you build in, and you get that much more time to reach that remote site and troubleshoot or replace modules, right? So that's where, if it is designed and placed in a vertical redundancy, growth, then you have that spare module always lightly loaded or in a sleep mode, as sir said, and then you get that much more breathing space to say. So I think in edge it's very important that people generally should choose modularity with a good algorithm and a good programming, where you don't have to necessarily rush immediately even if a module fails. You get that time and you have that built-in redundancy. So I think that's a big use case there, I'd say.